Okay, do you know? Assume that in some offices, Wi-Fi password is going to be maintained by owner only because it may be misused. It may be misused. In the team, anyone required Wi-Fi password, he won't share anyone. You will ask the owner, then the owner will go and he will enter the password, and then their system is going to be connected. Is a 10% of the time to connect the systems by entering Wi-Fi password only is going to be happen. Array, what there man in that? Can you please make it available? It's available only for employees, right? Okay, this is the password. Don't touch me, don't disturb me. Like, why don't you convey? Or otherwise, arrange, if you really security constraint, if you are feeling that, arrange a person, that person is going to take care about that. Why the people are going to touch you? Because I want full control. Because I should do everything. Because I should know each and everything what happening here. This type of thing is going to down the growth, is going to kill the growth. This is the problem for most of the people. They are full busy all morning to evening, full busy. But what they achieved is nothing at the end of the day. తెలుగులో మంచి సామెత ఉంటుంది కదా, నిమిషం తీరిక లేదు, దమ్మిడి ఆదాయం లేదు. నిమిషం తీరిక లేదు, దమ్మిడి ఆదాయం లేదు. Same, because he's busy, full busy morning to evening, but he's not doing any productive activity. So this is worst thinking most of the people are having, man. I should check each and every email. I should respond to everything. No one can manage my work. I need full control. That full control means attaching a bigger stone with this person. So the power is not in control. The power is in systems. The power is in delegation. Most of the people are always going to feel control, control, control must be required, right? The control means, if you want control in your hand means, you are just you are threaded with a big rock. Okay, if your hand or leg threaded with a big rock, how you can move? Slowly, slowly, slowly. You require to move because you want control, right? Array, give that responsibility to someone. If really any case some issue is there, if any case your involvement is required, then only you can involve. Otherwise, freely, happily, you require to move, man. Such a type of thing is nothing but. Such a type of thing is nothing but systems, delegation.